Rewarded Play usually crashes when Android system components like WebView break, when cache data becomes corrupted, or when battery restrictions interrupt ad loading. That's why the app often closes right after opening or freezes when an ad starts. By the end, you'll know the exact reasons Rewarded Play is crashing, and the step-by-step fixes that stop it from closing unexpectedly. First thing to check is Android System WebView and Google Chrome. Rewarded Play uses these to load ads and reward screens. If either one is outdated or disabled, the app can crash instantly during launch or ad playback. Go to the Play Store, update both apps, then restart your phone. Next, clear the app cache. Go to Settings, Apps, Rewarded Play, Storage, then tap Clear Cache. This removes temporary files that can get corrupted and cause crashes. If the app still crashes, tap Clear Storage. That resets the app completely, so you'll need to log in again, but it often fixes deeper issues. Now, check your phone's battery settings. Many devices automatically limit background activity to save power. Rewarded Play needs background processing to load ads and track rewards. Turn off battery optimization for the app and allow unrestricted background usage. After that, check your internet connection. Reward apps rely heavily on stable AD loading. If your connection keeps switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, ads can fail to load and trigger a crash. Locking your phone to one stable connection usually improves performance immediately. Also make sure Google Play Services is updated. This service handles ad delivery and reward validation in the background. If it's outdated or broken, Rewarded Play can crash during aid verification or when sensing progress. If the app still crashes, reinstall it. Delete Rewarded Play, restart your phone, then install it again from the Play Store. This removes corrupted installation files and resets the connection between your device and the reward system. Finally, there are times when crashes are caused by server-side issues. If the app is unstable across multiple devices, no local fix will fully solve it until the developers push an update or restore service. Waiting and trying again later can resolve those cases. To sum it up, Rewarded Play crashes are usually caused by outdated system components, corrupted cache, or aggressive battery restrictions. Fixing those areas restores normal app stability in most cases. Start with WebView and Chrome updates, then move through cache, battery, and connection fixes before reinstalling. If this helped, like and subscribe for more quick fixes for reward apps and Android issues.